Hello, good morning. Today is a beautiful day, fantastic October weather in Umbria, and I'm going to show you a really special property. We are in the province of Terni in the south of Umbria and in the area between Todi and Terni. And what I'm going to show you here is this wonderful complex. It's an old Borgo. It used to be a hermitage, a hermit used to live here in the year, in the 10th, 11th century. As you can see, it's a beautiful spot, very old buildings. And at one time, somebody had the great idea here to turn this little hamlet, this little village, into a spa, a very high-end location with apartments, a restaurant over there, a reception, the spa itself down here, and the tower, all kind of utilities, very luxury, and with all the new facilities, and but in respect of the old building. As you can see, this is supposed to be the reception. You can see the new underfloor heating system, and at the same time the old stone walls. They have heating and lighting, everything in the floors, okay? And this is the old pizza oven, of course, which belongs to the property, and as in old times. So it is a mix between very high-end, new and old together. Okay, so let's go inside in this area first. Here we have several apartments. As you can see, the property has been partially restored, and for instance, here we have a large room. This was supposed to be a common room. Let's see if I can fix this, putting it straight. Yes. A common room with the possibility of putting an open fireplace here to sit all together in this beautiful room with high ceiling up until there. And then there are guest rooms on the ground, on the first floor. They can come in from there. And here, this was supposed to be like a loggia, a lovely place to sit and enjoy the views on the countryside, with a winery down there and drinking your wine here. It's really very trendy and cozy also. Okay, then as you can see, here is another room. I don't remember what the function was supposed to be for all these rooms. Like here, there is a bathroom. Here is the technical area, as you can see, also very modern systems. So here, a bathroom. Over here, an entrance. This is an entrance door. And here, this could be the kitchen. Okay? Oops. Sorry. Okay, now we continue. We are on the ground floor here, of course. Then we can go up to the first floor. You can see the tiles and new stone slabs have been put on the floor, and in the areas around it, the edges, they are going to put, or they have put already, the lights. Okay, here one, there another one, And look at this door, isn't that beautiful? All these features have already been put in. Of course, a lot of extra work needs to be done to the property. Here I go to another side. Look at this nice old niche. Here there was another apartment. There is, with new floors, a beautiful open fireplace, and the kitchen to the back here, and over here a bedroom, beautiful bedroom with a door leading outside, okay, onto the terraces. It has its own terrace also. And well, you see, it's huge, so be patient, because we're going to have a long viewing today. Here is another apartment, all with these old stone walls, and this is a very nice small apartment, again with a bathroom over here, you can see, and then a very nice room up there, which has also a terrace up front. I'll show you from outside. I can't go there now, but yeah, let me see. Here we go. See, this is the terrace up there on the first floor. And here we have another stairs leading to the first floor, with another bedroom and a bathroom behind it, plus another one here. Okay, so you can see from the style, it's been, the old style has been kept as much as possible, but it's finished with very modern, stylish, high-end finishings. Okay, so that is one part. Then I'm going to show you another part in the next video.